fox.
Cicada and the fox.
On a hot summer
On a hot summer day,
a
a cicada was singing
cicada was singing on top of a tree.
on top of a tree. Oh, I'm so hungry. That cicada will be a great meal.
Cicada will be a great
meal.
Oh,
But it's too high.
it's too high. How can I catch that cicada?
How can I catch that cicada? Oh, I got this.
Hello there.
Hello there.
You are
You are a really rich singer.
a really great singer. Your voice is beautiful
Your voice is beautiful,
and it makes
and it makes me
me
so happy.
so happy.
Really? Thank you.
Oh, really? Thank you.
I'm glad to hear you liked it.
And God, to hear you like this.
I wish I could sing it.
I could sing
I could sing
as well as
you.
you. As well as
Why
you.
don't I give you some fruit
Why don't I give you some fish
and you
and you teach me to sing?
teach me to sing?
You want me to come down there?
You want me to come down there?
Why not?
Why not? I want to hear
I want to hear
you sing a little close,
you sing a little closer.
little closer.
Okay then.
Okay then, I'll be right there.
I'll be right there.
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
No. I'm a genie.
I'm a genius.
Yes. Ew.
What is this?
What is this? Leaves?
Please,
I knew it.
I knew it. Did you think I'd fall for your trick?
Did you think I'd fall
Fall for your trick?
for your trick? I once saw
A cicada wings,
a cicada's wing
cicada dreams, in a forest post.
in a fox's poop.
Forest post.
I haven't believed fox.
I haven't believed forest
I haven't believed foxes since then.
since then.
No way.
No way, I'm getting down there.
Hey, I'm getting down there.
Thank you.